Let's try this again. So here's down the driveway in my property, and here's the night vision goggles. So let's see. Now let's get into the woods. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll let the phone bypass the goggles. Look how pitch black it is out there. Same angle. Oh, these are pretty nice goggles. I got them for about $50. Look how nice those are. So I come outside just to look around, see if I could spot any animals. Oh, that scared me. Thought that was a head. That's my gate. Let's see, let's look down this road. There's the tree line. Across the street. It's actually kind of cool. Let me, here's a sign that I have. Alright, well, let's walk and let's check this out. I guess you could appreciate it more from in real life, obviously.